At the School of Gandhian Studies, research is not just an academic endeavor, but is also a social responsibility. Our cohorts of doctoral students are expected to bring in demonstrated knowledge of their domain, basic research exposure, and a deep commitment to the rigor of the doctoral program. Coursework and workshops are meticulous in preparedness of our cohorts for the methodical and scientific process that research is, and for the interdisciplinary and transdisciplinary research that is the need of the hour. Welcome to an enriching experience of social science research.
I have taken a mid-career break to pursue doctoral research in Geetham, and my experience here has shown me three things. First, I am guided by a faculty who is filled with passion, pursue excellence, and are experts in their own field and always keep themselves up to date. They want their students to do the best. Secondly, I am surrounded by a very dynamic peer group. And thirdly, I have access not only to the school which I am registered at to pursue my doctoral research, but also to workshops and seminars and faculty members and all the many innumerable activities which are taking place in the business school, in the management school, in the law school, in the engineering, and in the whole campus as such. It is a very vibrant place to develop oneself not only personally, professionally and academically. It gives an all-round development of a person. Thank you, Geetham.
My academic experience at the Department of Gandhian Studies has been very enriching because the expertise of the professors here has helped me to articulate my research ideas more eloquently, something that I needed help with in the beginning. Doing a PhD requires a lot of different set of skills that you need for engaging with the text critically, also maybe engaging with other disciplines, which the Gandhian Studies department really helps and allows you that space where you can interact with different professors, with different scholars. Engaging with different perspectives helps you to develop a more interdisciplinary research, which is very important in English as well. And overall, I think the entire process also requires guidance, which they provide really well, and they introduce you to different courses as well, so that you never are left out in the open, because the entire process of PhD is very huge and very magnificent, and they help you to cut it down to chunks where you can manage it from day-to-day life. Yes, thank you.
Hi, good morning. I am Kishan Kumar and I am a research scholar in the development studies. I am actually working on the concept of climate change adaptation. The reason why I have chosen Geetham for my research work is for the facilities that it offers. One is its extraordinary faculty. Two, the infrastructure support that is being provided. Three, the stipend and the financial support that is being offered by the Geetham. If you want to work for the local problems with the global standards, please choose Geetham Deemed to be University.
Hello everyone, my name is Rishita and I'm a PhD scholar here at Geetham University. If you're looking to choose a university that can provide you with excellent faculty members and outstanding opportunities to kickstart your career, Geetham would be the correct choice. Here at Geetham, we have extraordinary faculty members who care about the quality of work you come out with. We have access to books and journals that are on international level, and we also get to have financial independence here because we get provided with stipend and teaching opportunities that kickstart your career here at Geetham. Thank you.
Hi, I'm Sushma Raj Saripalli, Program Coordinator, Research Activities. At School of Gandhian Studies, we offer programs that are unique, progressive and interdisciplinary. We have scholars from across India with an appetite for academic excellence. The very vibrant, academic, all-inclusive environment fosters an enriching experience to scholars. We not only provide good guidance to the scholars, but also provide them with a much needed assistance and support throughout their stay with us.
Here's wishing you a transformative academic experience. Come join us and be a part of the teaching and research world.